Hi friends, today we are going to show you how to prepare butter and ghee from the cream which we get from milk. Here we go. The ingredients what we need are the cream. See, this is the cream where you get it from the milk. So you need to collect. So this is the cream which is collected for a week or 15 days and which is stored in a refrigerator. I mean, not in a freezer, but in a cold refrigeration. And this is the part where we are going to. This is the mixie. How we need to prepare it from the mixie. Take some 2 to 3 spoon of the cream which has been stored for 7 days or 15 days, and mix it in a mixie. Here we go. So we'll show you how to mix. So now we have taken a few of the cream which is stored for 15 days, and we put some water with the cream. So the quantity of water is a little bit like a glass, 2 spoon. So if you take 2 spoon, 1 glass of water, and see, when you are mixing and when you are switching on the mixie, it should not be like the continuous run. It should be just we need to on and off. I think we'll show you that. So this is how you need to mix it, so that it I mean, like, removes all the milky thing, and it will have the cream will be left out, that is the butter which will be left out. So here we go. So you need to watch and just add the milk, add the water, so that the butter comes up, and again start the mixing. And it should just, you need to turn off and on and off. It should not be continuous run. So I think now it is done. You can see at the top the butter has come up on the water, and you need to separate it. So pour that in a bowl where you can see the separate thing. So here you can see the buttermilk. So if it is 1 or 2 days, I mean, like the cream, we can drink it as a buttermilk. It will be very tasty. Add some jeera and salt, and you can drink this as a buttermilk. And here you can see the thing. This is the butter, and we are going to use it, prepare it for ghee. And you can store it if you want to eat a butter. You can eat it, and or you can make it as a ghee. And this, I mean, like, this butter will be hard, solid during winter, but as you know, it's a summer season, so it is bit thin. It's not so I mean, like, hard. It is very light and very thin. This will be very tasty. You can eat it. So now we'll show you how to prepare the ghee. And here you can see the butter. So it's floating on the buttermilk. So we need to gradually remove this and put it in a separate bowl for preparing for a ghee. Now we are ready to prepare, start boiling this and prepare it for ghee. And here you go. This is the butter. You can see the butter, which is bit light, and it's not so hard because it's a summer, it will be very thin. So we can, that's fine, but if it is thin also, but we need to start boiling it. So the next step is to prepare the ghee. Here is the preparation. We have put the butter in a bowl, and we are switching on the gas. So we need to keep it in a sim for at least 10 minutes, so that you can see the butter is already started boiling, and it's living. And first it removes the water, and you can see the sound also how it started. Keep it in a sim, so that it should not be in a very high flame. So it should be in a very low flame, so that it should gradually heat in the butter to leave the ghee. And so we'll see for 10 minutes. See, now you can see how the butter is converting to ghee. just increase the flame after 5 or 6 minutes, so it starts, see, you can see that the sound of the things, and also you can see the aroma, the ghee smell is coming gradually, and you can see the butter is boiling. So you need to keep it for at least for few minutes, for 10 minutes you need to boil it. So be watching the converting of butter to ghee. See, you can see the change of color from a light yellow to a dark yellow. And the milk what we are using is a Nandini, which is from Bangalore, where we are taking it. So it's, I mean, like, there are different milks in Nandini also. So this is the normal milk what we are using. So now you can see it's transparent now. So this is done. Now the ghee is ready. So you can see very light, and it's all melted. Now the butter is melted to a ghee, where you can see the ghee here, and the foam is also there. You can separate that. You can just, I'll show you how it will, there will be a foam will be generated. You can remove that. So see, you can see the ghee is done. So you I mean, like, you'll be getting very pleasant smell, the ghee smell, the melted, when you boil the ghee. So what smell you'll get, so it is very nice to smell it. So it's very nice. So it's now the ghee is ready. You need to separate it. I'll also show you how to separate the ghee. Allow this to cool for 5 to 10 minutes. Now it is cool, and you can separate it. Use the metal filter to filter the ghee, because there will be some I mean, like, you can see that black color which will be stored after boiling. So it should be settled in down, and only filter the ghee in a bowl. See, you can see the ghee, and leave it for around half an hour, so it can you can solidify. Once it is solid, so it's ready to eat. I'll show you once it is solid. Yeah, after 10 minutes you can see the ghee is solidified, and see, this is the ghee. It's ready to eat and very tasty. So this is, you can use it for any, like, hot rice, chapati, roti, everything. So here you go, and thank you for watching this video. For any questions or any queries, you can contact f2fskitchen@gmail.com. Thank you.